an intense rivalry along the Ohio River between people from Ohio and people from Kentucky.
Well, there is. That's what that song's about specifically. See, I moved out of there as a child. My mother and her sisters and her brother all moved out of that coal mining region like a lot of people do, and they were subject to a lot of ridicule about being from someplace else, namely Appalachia. And one of the jokes they had to suffer with was that they taught the 3 R's in Kentucky schools, reading, writing, and Route 23 North. So I wrote that for all those folks that had to put up with that joke, and my mother and her sisters especially.
Reading, writing, and Route 23 North.
They learned to read, writing, Route 23 to the job, later waiting in those cities' factories. They learned to read, writing, roads to the north, to the luxury and comfort a coal miner can't afford. They thought reading, writing, Route 23 would take them to the good life they had never seen. They didn't know that that old highway could lead them to a world of misery.